That very quickly ended up in my arrest. My name's Gabe Olivier, and I'm a client of First Liberty. I'm also a street preacher right here in central Mississippi, and I want to tell you all very briefly the story of what happened right here on the sidewalk that I'm standing on. About 5 years ago, we would regularly come out here. As you can see, there's a concert arena right up the hill. We would come out here to preach the gospel to folks, to hand out gospel literature, to hold signs just like this one, telling people that Jesus Christ saves from sin. The city of Brandon decided to pass an ordinance saying that we were not allowed to continue to do such things, and suggested that I would have to go 100 yards down this sidewalk to a designated protest area where I would not be able to have the freedom to do what we were here to do on public sidewalks. We ended up coming out here one day, and the police chief of Brandon came down and ordered us to go down to the protest area, and I began to ask him some legal questions about why that was and why my rights were being restricted, and that very quickly ended up in my arrest. And so I was charged with a violation of the city ordinance. But the Lord has opened up a door for us to be able to challenge this in court. And so now we're going to be going to the Supreme Court to see whether I am entitled to my due process, my day in court, to have my civil lawsuit heard here against Brandon, Mississippi. So we're very thankful for an opportunity for that, and ask that you would pray for us as we go to the Supreme Court on December 3rd.